I would like to welcome you to the 14th All India Suhasini R Lotlikar Swimming Championships. Now, every year we are growing bigger and bigger. Last time it was an invitational meet wherein all the neighboring states were invited. This time it is an open competition in juniors category, and there are participants all over India. We have participants from Gujarat, we have participants from Bihar, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Delhi, Rajasthan.
Next event number 49.
We are expecting to become bigger and bigger year over year.
Participants,
It's the first time we are having this event as a 2-day event. Earlier it was held only for half a day. Then we improvised, and to accommodate more events we had it for 1 day, and this time we are having it for 2 days. This event will be followed by the Masters swimming competition,
100-meter breaststroke boys group 3,
which will be held tomorrow.
Lane number 1.
That will be the third Masters swimming competition all India, wherein all the senior citizens and the senior swimmers will be taking part.
Yes, take your mark.
Next event number 50, 100-meter breaststroke girls group 3. The participants are Simran Patil, Nitya Kamat, Suniti Haltare, Durva Bhale, Alak Vito, Soumya Paryekar, Dhanvi Barde. Please get ready. Announcing the next event after this. After event number 51, 100-meter breaststroke boys group 2. The participant Sushant Naik, Atharva Sawant, Yash Gaonkar, Ivan Pereira, Ivan Alvarez. Please report to Coach Ronald.
Once again, I would like to thank our medical partners, Manipal Hospitals.
Lane number 7, Dhanvi Barde.
मारती हमारे पास ऐसा दोरी है ना ऑफिस में टेक कमान नहीं निकाला
Parents and coaches, owner of vehicle number GA09A6248, you are blocking the path. Kindly clear the vehicle. Any owner of vehicle number GA09A6248, owner of vehicle number GA09A6248. Thank you very much.
Next event number to be followed by event number 51, 100-meter breaststroke boys group 2, hit number 2. The participants are Ojas Parab, Sanskar Bagwade, Rahul Jadhav, Yash Murga. Please report to Coach Ronald.